Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to install Google Chrome on Kali Linux and we use it. So guys, you have to understand that Kali Linux is very sensitive. Sometimes when you install a software and you don't know much what you do, it can crash anytime. You're not guaranteed to use Kali Linux anyhow you want, and if you have some information on the machine, it's always good that you do a backup because we know its behaviors. It's very sensitive. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open your terminal. My terminal is white, I'm sorry about that. So you're gonna go say sudo su and say enter. It will ask you for the password, then you put in the password, then you say enter, then you clear if you want to clear. Now we are sudo because you can see this hashtag. So now you got to update your system first. You can say update, up-to-get update. You can say apt-get update, and once you update the system, then we're going to start doing our stuff. We're done with the updates. I'm gonna paste a command there. Since I'm gonna be a little bit slow when I'm doing my things, you're gonna copy that command or pause the video, and you write it down or type it down so that you can copy and paste. After that, you say enter. Entered. It's downloading. Once it's done, you can see what it says. Okay, I'm gonna drop another command there, and you're gonna use it. It said I got some problems here, but anyway, I'm gonna get you another command and you save it. Then you start the installation of the entire system. So we're gonna say apt-get install, then you put that. Okay, we're gonna do, I really love how to do apt-get. So get install. Okay, as you do that, it's gonna ask you yes or no, then you're gonna say yes, which is a Y, and you keep installing. It's sitting on 65. We're gonna see how it's gonna behave after. It's installing, guys. Be patient with us. Please don't forget to subscribe and also comment in the comment box below if you like the video. It's still installing, guys. Once it's done, we're gonna be able to show you that Chrome is working. You just have to be a little bit patient. Once it's done, it's gonna tell us that we are done. You see this roller, you can scroll it down and see what's going on by the end. Let's give it some couple of minutes. It's gonna finish. If it's taking time on your side, please, you can forward and see where it ended, but I advise you to not forward the video. You should leave it and watch the entire video so that you don't miss any step. See, starting to blink there means something's going on. Yeah, means it's done. So once it's done, that's good. And we're gonna start Chrome and see if we can use Chrome. So immediately we can do here, we're gonna search for our Chrome. We got it, but you can trigger it here using your command here. Once you trigger that command, it should pop up. If it doesn't pop up, I have correctly IDs. It says most likely you need to configure your ID sandbox correctly. Okay, that's fine, but I'm gonna show you that we have Chrome. I'm gonna trigger it using, I'm gonna start it using I've tried to start it this side, and it opened, which is here. So what I did, I just went to the menu and I clicked on Chrome instead of starting it in the command line. You can see that it's working. Chrome is working. You can visit any you can see we're using Kali Linux, and you can visit any website you want to visit. I can say gmail.com. You know, the reason why I'm showing you this is that you can use Chrome, but not on the main your main account. So you have to create a user name, a new username, also the account, and give it and open this, and also create Chrome, install Chrome on a new account, because on your main account you won't be able to use it, because if you won't be able to use it, so simply means you can install it in the main account but you can't use it. I've tried that several times ago, like before. So when you click on it, it's gonna roll and roll and roll, so it won't work. But here it works 100%. So that's what I'm saying. Like let me go to one of the websites. Let's say Facebook. There you cannot use it. If you installed it on the main account, please try to create a new account and give it user privileges. So I have a video on that, how to create what. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube to look for that video. youtube.com. When you create that video, I'm gonna say search for this video if you want to watch how to create a new user in Kali Linux, and also how to give it a user privileges, sudo privileges, so that you can install Chrome and use it. So but on the main account you're not going to do. After that, everything's gonna be fine. So you say how to create a user and give it sudo privileges. Okay, if you say that, there are a couple of things which you're gonna come choose the account for which you see this code for Azania tutorials. You click on that, it's gonna give you everything here. I wonder why it wants to reload. Okay, but that's the video anyway. I wonder what's going on Chrome. It's fine, but anyway, that's the video. You look for that video for Azania tutorials and you watch it. So if you watch that video, then you're gonna understand how to do that. But anyway, your Chrome is working, everything is fine, guys. So that's the way you install Chrome. But don't forget that you cannot install Chrome and use it on your main account. You have to create another account. So I showed you the video. Please, guys, for Azania tutorials, please do not forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.